Welcome back. In this lecture, we are diving into one of the most visible and vital parts of the retail management, which is store operation. This is where everything comes together: the products, the pricing, the promotion, the people, and most importantly, the customer experience. Now, let's understand what store operation is all about. Store operation covers all the activities that happen inside the store to serve the customer and generate sales, which is the objective of running the retail stores. The store operation activities include product display and merchandising, managing inventory at the store level, running promotions and pricing updates, handling cashiering, billing, and returns, ensuring store cleanliness and housekeeping, managing customer service and loyalty programs, staff training, scheduling, daily management, and so on. In short, store operation are what customer experience directly every time they visit in the stores. Some of the key roles and responsibilities in the processes that you see in the store operation is sales, visual merchandising, in the guide following the guidelines of the planogramming, inventory receiving, like accepting stock from warehouse, checking quality, updating system, getting the stock from the staging room to the shelf, cashiering, which is managing payment, refunds, end of the day, or store of starting the day and closing the day, case reconciliation, and so on. They also take care of customer service, which is helping customers solving the queries. Which they also they also help in solving the customer queries, handling complaints, in building the long time or lifetime loyalty. Just visualize one of the store where you have went, greeted immediately, allowed to taste one of their offering, complete the transaction smoothly, and you leave satisfied. And if you have any issue, you can go and return that product without being any question asked. That's an exact excellent example of store operation in action. Some of the definitions that you hear in store operations are point of sale, the device from where the sales happens; shrinkage, usually the loss of product inventory. So there is always a stock in the system and physically in the store, and if there is any difference, then it is being calculated as a shrinkage in the financial books, which is a loss. End of the day or EOD processes, which is all about reconciling the cash. So the sales could happen in multiple tender. This could be in credit card, debit card, cash, gift cards, coupons, small vouchers, and so on, so on. So the process of reconciling the cash as per the tender it is being sold upon is usually called end of the day processes. They track the footfall conversion, number of customers who have shopped or number of customers who have walked in. Now, talking about some of the KPI that is measured to validate the operational sales. Operation validate the success of the store operation is sales per square feet or margin per square feet, footfall conversion rate, like how many customers are walking in the store as and what is the percentage of the customer buying from there. They also track the shrinkage percentage. They also say inventory days covered, like how long the stock will last is per the sales cycle, the customer satisfaction, and the net promoter score, average bill value. There are many KPIs. They also say that what is my Opex per square feet, the footfall conversion, as I mentioned. They continuously check that what is the loyalty enrollment. It is one of the key KPI that customers who are coming in the store, and if there is a loyalty program, they try to support, they try to promote that loyalty programs. There is an average bill value they continuously wanted to increase upon. They try to cover the stock aging. If there is a stock which is lying in the store for a very long time, they try to make sure that it is at the minimal, and for sure expiry, damage, or the shrinkage percentage, communicating back to the buying and merchandising team and put it on the clearance so that it is sold before the expiry. Now, store operations are the front line of retail success. So whatever we are doing in the back end, whether it is buying, merchandising, supply chain, or any other activity, these are the front line of the retail success. If it is not implemented rightly, then the probability is low that you're going to make any money out of it. No matter how strong your portfolio, your product range is, pricing, or promotion, it's the in-store execution that ultimately drives customer satisfaction and loyalty. In the next lecture, we will move into another critical area, which is retail marketing, and learn how brand attract and engage customers both inside and outside the store. And note that this is only the fundamentals. I have a dedicated session getting into much deeper what store operation looks like, and so you can understand and also put across your views when you are done with the detailed sessions. All right, that's it from this session. See you there in the next session, which is all about retail marketing.